I got my 87 Toyota Motorhome. They put a mini split on the back. It's a Pioneer 9000 BTU. I got it running off of the Honda EU 1000i generator. In the eco mode too. It's running it real good. There's the eco mode. There's the regular mode. The eco mode saves a lot of fuel. This freezes inside. Look at this pipe sweating. It's all sweating. It's 90 degrees here in Florida. Maybe 95. It freezes the inside real good. I got this Toyota from the Salvation Army auction. The guy's wife didn't like it. She told him he had to sell it. So he donated it to the Salvation Army. It only has 69,000 miles on it. There was a receipt in there for $2,000 in 2017 to completely rebuild the transmission. It runs really good. So I was the high bidder. I got it for only $1,850. Yeah, $1,850. By the time I got out the door, it was about $2,200. I got a really good deal. What helped sell it was the exhaust was loud. It needed a donut gasket. And the guy who had it put a new exhaust manifold on. And he gave up tightening the bolts, so that was loose too, making noise. It's got solar panels on the roof. I think 320 watts worth of solar. There's probably $1,000 worth of solar in it. And that mini split probably another close to $500-600 for the mini split plus installing it. I don't like the company Pioneer that made the mini split because the bottom broke on it, and they don't wanna warranty it because I don't have the original receipt. I have the original receipt, but I'm not the original buyer, so they won't warranty it. That's not right. They're from Miami. They're a scam. It's supposed to be made in USA. Look at that dripping. It's so cold inside. This unit's a model, I don't see the number, 3070293. They call it Pioneer, INTER Intertech. This little Honda, I got it for, it was $350. It was on Craigslist Marketplace. It was running really horrible. I put the seafoam in the gasoline, run it for an hour, and now it's running good. It's running smooth. You wouldn't believe how cold this is inside. And it's got a remote control too. Pioneer 9000. It only pulls maximum breaker 20 amps, minimum 15. Oh, it only, the compressor load pulls only 9.0 amps. And the outdoor fan only pulls 0.7 amps. You wouldn't believe how cold it is. It's freezing cold.